If you're looking for ways to customize and personalize your Xbox Series X, PlayStation 5, or Nintendo Switch controllers, then you'll definitely want to check out the stuff that eXtremerate has got. I've got a few products I wanted to show off to you guys, so let's check them out in this video. Hey, if you enjoy content like this, drop a like, make sure to subscribe, and smash that bell so you never miss another video. Hey, what is going on guys? Danny here, welcome back to the channel and I hope you've all been doing well. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at some console accessories from a company that reached out to me called eXtremerate. Now, even though they reached out to me and said they would send me some products for free to check out, all of my opinions are mine and mine alone, and I wouldn't have it any other way. They didn't pay me for this review, so you can rest assured that, there's no sort of bias or anything like that. Now, these guys, what they do is they specialize in custom faceplates, skins, and shells for console controllers. So if you have the new PS5 or even a generation older console like the PS4, and you aren't particularly enthused about the current official colors that are available on the market, and you want something that looks unique, then these shells will definitely impress you. Along with that, these custom shells and faceplates, they also sell custom modding kits for controllers. So say you want to take your controller's appearance to the next level and you want RGB LEDs, then that's an option these guys cater towards as well. It's actually kind of funny because PC gamers have been enjoying RGB LEDs on their gaming peripherals for so many years at this point, so I thought that at least one of the console manufacturers would have adopted this trend for their controllers as well. Also, some of their stuff is not only useful for aesthetics, but also replacing old, worn, and damaged parts. I'll get more into that later on in the video. One of their items that I wanted to show you guys was this custom shell for the Xbox Series X controller. I believe as of now, the only colors that they have are black, white, blue, and red. So if you wanted any other sort of color or any other kind of design, then you'd be out of luck, but eXtremerate has got you covered there. On their Amazon storefront page, they've actually got quite a lot of various designs and colors to choose from orange, pink, galaxy, military, and a lot more. So you can select whichever suits your preferences. You can also add on some other items like special button appearances, skins, grips, etc. I went with this purple colored one. It looked pretty unique, and I was going to be gifting this controller to somebody who I know likes the color purple. So the shells itself look almost identical to the original Microsoft one, although there are a few subtle changes that will let you know that this is an aftermarket shell. For starters, it's got a soft rubberized coating on it, whereas the original faceplate has more of a hard touch plastic texture to it. Quality-wise, it seems pretty sturdy and felt almost as durable as the original faceplate. In terms of feel and fitment, I'd say it's identical to the original faceplate and handle, so that's good because you don't want to end up changing up the controller's feel too drastically, so you can retain that same experience you had when playing with the controller before. What's really nice about all their accessories is that they'll also include the necessary tools and hardware for you to successfully change the faceplate or shells. So with this purple shell, they give you a Torx security screwdriver along with a pry tool. So I'll give you guys a quick rundown on how you can change the handles and faceplate for yourself. To start off, you'll want to use the included pry tool and start prying off the sides of the handles or grips. You'll need to use quite a bit of force here, so don't worry about breaking anything. Just use the inner grooves of the plastic and work your way around. And once you've gotten enough of it pried off, you can just go ahead and use your fingers and it should just snap right off. Go ahead and repeat the same for the other side. Once you've done that, there will be 5 screws you'll have to remove. There will be 2 on each side, one near the top and another one near the bottom from where we pried off the plastic handles. So go ahead and remove those. Once you've gotten through them, there will be a screw in the middle underneath the label where the batteries go. I'll also add that once you do this, you'll probably have voided your warranty for the controller, unless your consumer laws are different. So I don't know, double check where you are and make sure that you are on top of that in case there's anything that goes wrong in the future. After that, the faceplate should just come right off with ease. Then what you'll want to do is just simply place the new plate over the buttons, and it's just a matter of doing everything in reverse. So go ahead and screw the screws back in, and then you'll be able to snap the handles back on, and that's pretty much it. So it's a pretty straightforward process, an easy swap, and you'll be able to do it with minimal time required. The end result will be an aesthetically pleasing controller that's customized to suit your preferences. Now, the other thing I wanted to show you guys is that change I made to another one of my Xbox One controllers. So this black controller I have here is the first controller I purchased back in 2014, and it still works. However, it's gone through quite a bit of mileage, and as you can see, the rubber thumb grips around the thumbsticks have been very worn down, and it's even peeling in some spots, and it makes it quite uncomfortable or irritating to use. So eXtremerate also have replaceable thumbsticks as well. These are also quite easy to install. Just like with the Series X controller, you'll want to pry off the handles, unscrew the 5 screws, and then take off the faceplate. Once you've done that, go ahead and pull out the existing thumbsticks. They come right off with ease. After that, go ahead and install the base for the new thumbsticks that we'll be using. It has the same layout as the existing sticks, so you should be able to install it in the same way. What's nice about these is that they give you a few various kinds of thumb grips. So if you want a concave style grip with those textured bumps, or if you want the taller convex style grips that you'd find on, say, like a PlayStation controller or one of those Elite controllers, then you can definitely do that as well. The choice is yours, and they're hot swappable, so you can change them at any time on the fly without having to disassemble the controller again, which I think is really cool and convenient. And this is really nice because now I've just added some more life to this controller, when it was otherwise unusable, but now this is a perfect solution, and I believe this kit goes for around 15 bucks on Amazon, so it's cost effective rather than you having to buy a whole new controller. The last thing I wanted to show you guys was this case for the Nintendo Switch. If you're looking for ways to customize your Switch and add some protection without the hassle of disassembly, then you'll want to check out their snap-on cases. These just easily snap on over your Joy-Cons, and the main shell snaps on to the back of the Switch. I think they add a nice bit of flair to the Switch, especially because the main tablet itself is all black and not colored like the Joy-Cons. I also didn't have any issues with the case conflicting with buttons, and because it makes the Joy-Cons feel slightly larger, they were actually able to reduce some fatigue for me and make the Joy-Cons more comfortable, as without the case they are just too small and I find my hands would cramp up after a short period of using them. So if you guys are interested in personalizing your Xbox, PlayStation 5, or Nintendo Switch controllers, and you want to add some accessories as well, definitely check out eXtremerate on Amazon. I'll drop a link to the storefront in the video description so you guys can check out their stuff. I hope you guys found this video to be informative and helpful. Let me know your thoughts down below. Check out the video description on ways to support the channel and for my other videos. If you guys are interested in more content like this, then make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one.